Hello my dear little kids. Today I am here with another session on mathematics for Olympiad 2022. Our topic is times and calendar. So let's start. A clock has number 1 to 12 on its face and two hands. The face of a clock is called dial. Long hand is called minute hand and short hand is called hour hand. You can see in the picture, the minute hand takes 1 hour to move one round. Start from 12 and get back to 12. We use AM for time from 12 midnight to just before noon and PM for time from 12 noon to just before midnight. Again you can see the picture of a clock. The minute hands is at 12 and hour hand is at 10. Therefore, time is 10 o'clock. If it is morning, the time will be 10 am. If it is night, the time will be 10 pm. Here, the number 5, 10, 15 shown on the face minutes. Count in fives to get these minutes. Hour hand on given clock is between 7 and 8 and minute hand is at 3. Now multiply 3 by 5 to get the minute. That is 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Therefore, time for morning is 7:15 am and for night it is 7:15 pm. And 7:15 mean quarter past 7 and 7:45 mean quarter to 8. Now we will know about calendar. Calendar tells us week, month, year. Calendar is the systematic arrangement of dates, month of a year. We all know there are 7 days in a week. Saturday and Sunday are called weekend. And there are 4 to 5 weeks in a month. Calendar helps us to know about days, week, month and year. Now, representation of date. How to represent a date? Date can be represented as date, month or year. For example, you can see here 23rd January 2022 can be written as 23/1/2022. 23 is the date, 1 is the month and 2002 is the year. There are 12 months in a year. January is the first month and December is the last month. There are 30 or 31 days in a month. February contains 28 or 29 days. Now, we will know about month. Number of days in each month. January 31 days, February 28 or 29 days, March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days, December 31 days. So, there are total 365 days in a year. In leap year, there are 366 days and it comes after every 4 years. Now, our question session start. Question number 1. The hour hand of a clock is at 8 and minute hand is at 12. Then the time will be
8 o'clock.
Yes, very good. Question number 2. The hour hand of a clock is at 1 and minute hand is at 6. Then the time will be
1:30.
very good. Question number 3. How many months in a year have 30 days?
4 months in a year have 30 days.
Yes, very good. What are they?
April, June, September, November.
Yes, very good. Question number 4. Which day comes between Monday and Wednesday?
Tuesday.
Yes, good. Question number 5. How many months in a year have 31 days?
7 months in a year have 31 days.
Very good. Question number 6. Jenny's dance class start at 10 o'clock and finished at 11 o'clock. How much time does she learn dance?
1 hour.
Yes, very good. Question number 7. Which day comes between Friday and Sunday?
Thursday. Saturday.
Yes, good. It is Saturday. Question number 8. The 4th day of a week is Thursday. The 5th day of a week is Friday. What is first day?
Monday.
Yes, good. Question number 9. The hour hand of a clock is between 10 and 11 and minute hand is at 4. Then the time will be
10:40.
Yes, good. Question number 10. The date of birth of following person, which one is not correct?
Narendra Modi. 31 September 1950.
Yes. Yes, September does not have 31 days. It has 30 days. So, answer C is correct.
Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also press the bell icon. Thank you.